Welcome back to another episode of the New Motorcycle Riders Podcast, where we have common sense solutions for common problems. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to my podcast to help more riders find the information they are looking for. Today I'm going to talk about why you do not want to F around and find out. You know what it means. Unfortunately, there seems to be a lot of this going around these days. I was taught as a child that it is better to learn from other people's mistakes than to make the same mistakes yourself to learn. All you are doing when you repeat someone else's mistakes is wasting time, possibly getting hurt, and costing yourself money. Now, it is not possible to avoid all mistakes, but the more you avoid, the better off you are. Now, new motorcycle riders often make mistakes as they develop their skills and confidence. Being aware of these common errors can help you avoid them and ride more safely. Here are some of the most frequent mistakes new riders make. 1. Not taking a motorcycle safety course. 2. Buying the wrong first bike. 3. Poor clutch and throttle control. 4. Target fixation. 5. Not countersteering properly. 6. Poor braking technique. 7. Riding in blind spots. 8. Not wearing full gear. 9. Taking turns too fast. 10. Not checking mirrors and blind spots. 11. Not accounting for road conditions. 12. Overconfidence too soon. 13. Forgetting to cancel turn signals. 14. Following too closely. 15. Neglecting bike maintenance. 16. Not practicing emergency maneuvers. Now, these mistakes may seem straightforward, but you would be surprised how many people repeat them. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll build confidence, stay safe, and have a much more enjoyable riding experience. Come back for more tips and tricks to help you improve on your riding skills. Please leave us a comment below.